So with this question, we want to write the decimal form of each fraction. So if we look at the first one, 12 over 100, that one turns out to be pretty simple. As we know, dividing something by 100 just moves the decimal point 2 places to the left. So if we look at the number 12, the decimal point is right after the 2, and dividing by 100 moves it 2 places to the left, so that gives us 0.12, or said properly, 12 100ths. If we look at the fraction 9 30ths in decimal form, again, doing that work, you could divide it on a calculator, divide 9 by 30 and look at the decimal form, or we could think about reducing the fraction. We can do this mentally. 9 30ths reduces to 3 tenths, dividing the numerator and denominator by 3. And when you say that fraction out loud, that is actually the decimal form, 3 tenths, 0.3. Because dividing a number by 10 moves the decimal point 1 place to the left. So there's the decimal form of 9 30ths is 3 tenths. 11 eighths as a decimal. If you divide 11 by 8, think about it as a fraction. That's 1 3/8. And to convert 3/8 to a decimal, remember that 1/8 is 0.125, so 3/8 is 0.375. So that turns out to be 1.375 as a decimal. And then that last one, 11 thirds. If we divide 11 by 3, that turns out to be 3 2/3. So we're saying 3 goes into 11 3 times with a remainder of 2. So that's 3 2/3 as a fraction. 2/3, hopefully we remember the decimal equivalent of that. 2/3 is 0.666 repeating. So we would write that that's 3.6 repeating. Again, with each of these, to convert a fraction to a decimal, perform the division however you can, however is most efficient for you. Many of these you can do in your head. If you use a calculator to check, that's great.